You're standing at the counter of your favorite bakery, staring at a box of fresh, glazed donuts. They're perfect, they're fluffy, they're sweet, and they've got that iconic ring shape. But have you ever stopped to actually think about the hole? If you bought a steak or a loaf of bread with a giant hole in the middle, you'd probably ask for a refund. But with donuts, the hole is the whole point. It's the international symbol of the snack. Is it just to save money on dough? The truth is, that hole isn't a scam. It's actually a brilliant piece of 19th century engineering that solved a disgusting culinary problem. Welcome to the smart side. To understand the hole, we first have to look at what a donut used to be. These were basically balls of sweetened dough fried in hog fat. They were delicious, but they had one major fatal flaw. Basic physics. The exterior turns golden brown quickly, but because the dough is so dense, the heat struggles to reach the very center. If you pulled it out early, you'd bite into it and find a glob of raw, wet, sticky dough in the middle. Early bakers tried to solve this by stuffing the center with walnuts or raisins. This is where the name donut comes from. The breakthrough happened on a ship in the Atlantic in 1847. The hero, a 16-year-old sailor named Hanson Gregory. Legend says Hanson was steering through a storm and impaled his donut onto a spoke of the ship's wheel to hold it. But Hanson told a more practical story. He was tired of soggy raw centers that felt like lead in his stomach. He took a tin pepper box lid and used it to punch a hole through the middle of the raw dough. By removing the center, the hot oil could hit the inside and outside at the same time. No more raw dough. In 1920, Russian immigrant Adolph Levitt revolutionized the donut by inventing the first automatic donut machine in New York City. The machine worked best with ring-shaped dough. The hole made the frying process predictable and consistent for the conveyor belt. By the 1934 World's Fair, donuts were the hit food of the century. They were the first truly consistent fast food. Before modern packaging, bakers would sell donuts on the street by stacking them onto long wooden dowels. The hole has become part of the experience. It gives the donut structural integrity to hold heavy glazes and toppings. And those donut holes you buy, they aren't actually centers. They're made by a different machine to mimic the old leftovers. Next time you bite into one, remember that empty space is the reason your breakfast isn't raw. See you in the next one.